Good morning, traders, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today, the US 30. So we had a pretty big sell-off yesterday, kind of a surprise bar considering the price action of the last couple of days going into the close of last week. Could see this as a couple of things. The bears are going to see that as a massive bear bar, and there should be at least two more legs down. Okay, that's one way of looking at it. And the other way to look at it is it's an exhaustion bar onto a level which is a 61.8. And for me anyway, I think I need to explain what my feeling is on that, but I'm in the camp that that is a pullback onto 61.8, and that's what we need to be paying attention to. So guys, the reality here is this trend is up. Okay, we are making higher lows, and we have been making higher highs until this little dip here. Okay, and the only time that that's going to be a valid double top is once you break below this level here. You break below that, that sets the scene for downside. But until that happens, this is a pullback onto Fibonacci, almost the middle of this range as well. And then what we need to also pay attention to is our trend lines. Okay, we've just formed a new trend line, pretty much. It's there to there, and we've rejected it there. Okay, so let's just get down to the 3 hour so we can see what's transpiring here. So we have buyers stepping in off a level, and the level at the moment is 27,612 or 27,600, the round number. Okay, we have a methodical downward trend line here, and then we have the bottom of the channel there, and we've sort of popped below that. So if we reject this, there would be merit for a bit of a stronger move down, and I would say probably down to 26,581, which would be bottom of range then. But there's also merit for it to pop back in to the channel and look for the top of the channel. Okay, so there's a couple of ways of looking at it at the moment. This is a fairly decent inside bar. Okay, and that happened at the close. Could be profit taking, very possible. But there's also so much noise happening today. So we've got quite a few results coming out today. And it's a start of the FANG results, so that's a big one. So with Microsoft coming out with their results, but that'll only happen after the bell. So it's not really going to influence anything today, but it will set the scene for the rest of the week. So it would be a good idea just to keep that on your watch list and just watch what Microsoft does today. Just moving down to the hour. So you can see on the hour we've got some pretty good structure here. We've got a pin bar off the bottom of the range or the channel, and a move up. So we've had a pretty good move up, had a pullback, had another move up, and now we're forming another bit of a flag here. So the question on my mind at the moment is, do we roll one more time? Okay, do we have another push down? We've had one push down. This is the second push down here. So, you know, it could be a bit of a V reversal, but I would expect it just to come back and find some support. Just have another test at this level, 27,612. Just come back, see if we can hold it, and then start building from there. Okay. The advice from my side today is watch the 15. You can see we're just hovering on the moving average of the 15 at the moment, so that's just something to be watching today, and see if we can break up. If we do break back into this channel, then you'd probably be looking to be long off the bottom again, short off the top, until we get a break above this top. But anyway, I'm not looking at those shorts. Trend is up, trading in one direction, and that is up. Okay, just coming down to the 8 hour. I just want to put a little bit more context to what's transpiring here. Okay, so you can see, taking these factuals here, you can see that was area of confluence. If I just put another level in here, right over there. So you can see we've got 1, 2, 3 potential areas of or potential support areas, and whenever you get an area of confluence of like that, buyers typically always step in. Okay, so I think all eyes are on results. Next lot of eyes are on the drug companies, and there are a few drug companies coming out with results this week as well, and those drug companies are involved in vaccines, so watch those as well. And then obviously we've still got the politicians with the elections and the stimulus, which is probably not going to happen until after elections, so you probably only see that coming through next year. And it'll be interesting to see what the politicians get up to today. But anyway, for me, I am looking for opportunities. I'm already in on a long on the S&P, but for the DAX, for the Dow Jones, we'll just wait and see what transpires here. It is starting to look fairly interesting in this zone, but we'll wait. Well, for me at the moment, we'll wait until we've got the S&P up to break even, and then we will take it from there. Okay, so anyway, keep your eyes open, because you are in a number of areas where the buyers would step in. Okay, you've got Fibonacci, you've got support levels, diagonal and horizontal, so just keep your eyes open and be patient. And whatever does happen, you should see some kind of at least a retest of breakouts to the upside. Okay, and there's a good area right there, which is 2800. Okay, and then obviously at 2800 you're going to have a lot of people that are going to be selling off that level, which I wouldn't be too surprised about, but it should come back down at the bottom of the channel. If it does find support there and then start making higher highs, that would be your signal. Anyway, that's it for me today. Keep those stops tight and be patient. We'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.